Let's move on with the circles and how to get them right. And by right, I mean as circular as you want them to be. This is also a trick I learned in Italy while sketching cars, because we used to sketch cars in side view all the time, and we needed to get the we didn't always have the templates to make round circles. So this is a trick that's worked for me. So what you want to do, we want to keep your pen almost vertical like this. Okay? And you want to almost place your head over your hand. So you're looking straight down as you see this pen right now. You see it from straight from the top. And doing that, you will be able to a lot easier create round circles. And you can make circles inside of circles, for example, and just fill an entire sheet with just a bunch of circles. And this is really, really good when you have cars that you need to sketch. I love sketching cars. The only thing I always had problem with was getting the wheels right. Especially from the side, because I never managed to get them round. And I kind of felt that using templates, I won't call it cheating, but you know, it's not like I'm always gonna have a template with me, carrying with me. And I want to sketch cars all the time, so I wanted to learn how to do this without any templates or stuff like that. Just freehand, and this is a really good technique. So just fill a sheet of paper like this, or as many as you want. If you feel you have issues with it, you probably want to fill a couple of them every day. The whole thing depends on what you want to get out of this course, or what you want to get out of sketching, if you want to get better at it, and so on. It's all about priorities. So you have to figure out your priorities and what it is you want. Just keep in mind that stuff like this and anything that you want to learn, it takes time to get this right. It's not like it's going to happen overnight if you just started sketching. You have to practice a lot, and remember to have fun doing it at the same time, because if you're not having fun, chances are you will eventually quit and find something else, because doing something that's not fun for a long time and just practicing every day is not gonna work. So I hope you're having fun while you're doing this. And so this was the circle exercise, and what to think about here is to keep your pen vertical and try to look from the top view, like straight up almost. And then you just start to, because if you look at it from your point of view, which is almost 45 degrees from this way when you're sketching normal stuff, you kind of get a twisted perspective on the circles. Now, I don't know how this is going to look from up there, but usually you get more of an ellipse, and we don't want that in this case. We want a perfect circle, or as perfect as it can be. And to do that, we want to look at it from the correct perspective, which is straight from the top.